Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. We are headed into a weekend and I am so excited. I received a day early, according to my tracking, my Fashionsta the box. This is only the second time that I've received it and I cannot wait to get in here and see what I've got. And it is from Fashionsta.com and it is a $19.99 box per month. And it is a beauty subscription that you generally get 5 full-size products in, so that's awesome. Unfortunately, right now they have a wait list, so you go in and you sign up for the wait list, and each month they're releasing some subscriptions. So you go in really quick and they're adding people each month as they go. So it only took me 1 month to get off of the wait list, so it's pretty good luck. So let us get in here and see what I have. When we open it up, this is what it looks like. Well, let's see. So we have the box card, our card that tells us everything we received, and our box. And I've heard people talk about with this black shred this month, some of the products are covered in the dust, but it wipes off easy, so let's see what we've got. Okay, let's see what these cards say. The back of this card explains that they have partnered with the Family Crisis Center 1736 and that they give, because of these boxes, they give makeup and those kinds of things to the organization. And I think that that's just fantastic. And then we'll read this as we go along. Well, let's dig right in. We have another Teami product this month. Last month we had a Teami detox mask that I have actually owned and tried and loved, and I did a giveaway. I hope Mary's out there enjoying it. And this is the hibiscus infused vitamin C serum with a $45 value, $19.99 box. Quench dry skin with this serum's water-esque consistency, which instantly absorbs into your skin. Vitamin C takes less than 30 seconds, so you can quickly continue your beauty routine. The unique process behind this weightless vitamin C serum involves hand steeping the hibiscus flower leaves and brewing a rich, antioxidant, refreshing red tea, which creates the baby pink color we adore. With a light, fresh grapefruit scent, you will fall in love with this clean, plant-based, and holistic vitamin C serum. Well, let's see. If there is grapefruit in it, I cannot use it. I'm always a little afraid of vitamin C's anyway, because you guys know I am hypersensitive. So at the very bottom it says citrus essential oil blend. So I'm not sure if I will try this. I'll give that some thought. But let's see. The bottle. Oh my goodness, look, it is. It's a pretty pink, and they say that's from the hibiscus leaves. That is so pretty. So I'm not going to pump this in case I want to pass it on, because with vitamin C and grapefruit, it's probably not best for my sensitive skin. Next I have, oh, and this is the one that's always covered in the black shred. Let's see if I can clean it off a little bit. Jet Super Hydrating Skincare Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser. I don't know anything about this brand, so this is exciting. And as I recall, I was watching somebody the other day do this, and the paperwork is wrong about this. It says Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser, $25. But then below it, it says, created with lip-quenching oil and extracts, this formula is creamy and luxurious, allowing for smooth glide-on application hugging the lips. There's been an error. The back of it says, Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser gently dissolves makeup and impurities. Cactus fruit delivers antioxidants to protect the skin from aging and allow skin to restore vitality and appearance of youthful looking skin. So this is 80 ml. I'm kind of intrigued by this oil to foam cleanser. Let's give that a look. Oh, so it comes out like an oil. It's just a clear oil. Of course, I have no water here, so it's probably not going to foam. Oh, but I could see how it would. When you start rubbing it in, it doesn't just feel like an oil. It's just kind of, oh, it smells delightful. It smells really good, almost rosy. I wonder what is in here. Unfortunately, this does not tell us what's in it, so I'll have to get onto the website and see what it says, but it smells delightful. And like I said, a little rosy, and it's a made in Korea product, and my face generally loves those, so yay, that is cool. I will definitely use that. I love trying new cleansers. Next we have a Sigma F89 Bake Kabuki brush. That is so neat. I have one Sigma brush now that I actually did as an add-on with my regular Ipsy bag, and I am loving it. So I am anxious to try an actual face brush. I don't use a liquid foundation, so I will find another purpose for this, but it's slanted. Can you guys see the slant of it? So it might be perfect for like touching up concealer underneath. Oh, it feels so soft and nice. It's really firm and dense. It would be perfect for foundation. Let's see what the paperwork says. $25 value, F89 Bake Kabuki brush. Keep your look perfect with this Sigmax fiber brush designed to pick up and press on setting powder. It's not even for foundation. I do use the heck out of setting powder. The angle gets close to contours. It is recommended to use this foundation face brush with powder products. Perfect for full coverage. Well, since I'm holding this, it makes me think. A couple of days ago, the QVC Today Special was Bare Minerals, and it was the original foundation, you know, the powder foundation, and a lot of other products to do a full face with it. Two things. One, I used that powder foundation for years, and I liked it so much that I convinced myself that for days when I wasn't taping, I would like it again. So I ordered the whole pack. This might be perfect with that because it's a powder foundation, and then it also has the mineral veil, and this might be perfect with that. And two, if you think that you would like to see like a try-on video with that, let me know below and I'll make a try-on video when it comes. Because it's the foundation and the mineral veil, and I think there's a blush. It might not be a blush, but there's definitely eyes and mascara and lips. So it might be kind of fun. Next I have the Everyday Natural Rescue Balm, Pawpaw and Acai and Peppermint. And it is 0.5 fluid ounces for dry bits, paraffin free. Dry bits. I do have those. This is what that looks like. And let's see what the paperwork says. This box is so fun. It's very different stuff. $15 value, and it says, Club BFF is your ride or dry kind of friend. This nifty sidekick is a petroleum-free balm formulated with papaya, antioxidant-rich acai, emollient sunflower seed oil, and soybean germ extract that moisturizes your lips and other body bits. Guess you could call it a friend with many benefits for all skin types. That is very cool. I will definitely use this on my lips. I carry so many lip creams. So I hope you can see that. It's like a gel. I thought I saw somebody else's that looked like it came out in a white cream, but it's definitely a gel. Interesting. Let's see. Oh, it is a little minty. I'm surprised. It smells a little bit minty. Feels like it's going to feel really nice on my lips though. Made the back of my hand very soft. All right, let's see. The last product was actually the spoiler for this box. And I've been so looking forward to this because I can never have enough lip palettes. This is the Leopardina 12 eyeshadow and 4 highlighter kit by Rude. So excited. It's so pretty. It's kind of warm, but it doesn't feel like it's going to be too warm for me to use. And this is what that looks like. Very nice. And it has a lovely mirror. So I'm actually not going to swatch this because it is very much like a lot of the palettes that we have received. These highlighters though are fantastic. From the light to the pink over into the warms. It's very cool. But I might want to pass this along too. So this was a great box. We had this gorgeous Leopardina palette, the Jet, despite it talking about lips, Oil to Foam Cleanser, the Teami Vitamin C, the Club BFF Natural Rescue Balm for your lips, and the Sigma brush. This says that we have a $157.50 value. So that's just a really great deal, and I like this box. It is so different from all of the other boxes that we get, and I have some to keep and some to share, which I always love. All right, guys, Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you have a great weekend. If you haven't seen it yet, go over and check out our FabFitFun spoiler. They did really, I think they did really well with our first customization. We have 5 products to choose from. I want them all. I'll probably be putting all of them in my box. I think I need a bigger box. All right, guys. Like I said, have a great weekend. Please like, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon.